Hi, my name is Kizzy Hannon, along with Stephen Coleman and Andre Garner. We are Team 2. The business intelligence tool that we will be presenting is SAP Business Objects. I will give a brief background and present the description of the technology. Andre Garner will give a discussion of features supported, and Stephen Coleman will report the benefits and pitfalls of the BI tool. What is SAP Business Objects? SAP Business Objects is an enterprise software company specializing in business intelligence. Business Objects is a combined query, reporting, and analysis solution for business experts. SAP Business Objects, also known as BO, is the most innovative business intelligence suite of applications that allows businesses users to sort, view, and analyze. The next is the origins of SAP Business Objects. The company was originally known as Business Objects and was founded in 1990 in Paris. It became a large and respected BI software seller. In 2007, SAP acquired Business Objects for $6.78 billion, the largest acquisition SAP had ever made at the time. Initially, the former company operated independently. Today, SAP is the largest independent software supplier in the world. There are more than 12 million users. There are 121,000 installations worldwide. There are more than 1,500 SAP partners, over 25 industry-specific business solutions, and more than 41,000 customers in 120 countries. The key benefits of these tools are: it supports the changing needs of your business. It leverages the latest business intelligence technologies and a broad array of data sources using a flexible and scalable platform. The next key benefit is the access to comprehensive business intelligence tools. It transforms your data into useful information and delivers it to the people who need it the most with an extensive suite of business intelligence applications. The key capabilities of the BI tool is the web intelligent reports, also known as ad hoc reports, crystal reports, dashboards, queries, explorers, and self-reporting tools. Reports designed to each user's specific needs, which executives have a different need than information consumers and business analysts. There are several different industries that the SAP BO tools are used, including the banking industry, education industry, gaming, government, healthcare, investing, manufacturing, oil and gas, real estate, retail, supply chain, and telecommunication, just to name a few. But you can use these tools in pretty much any industry. The BO tools reports are designed to the specific needs of each user, whereas executive managers and information consumers and business analysts all have different needs for some of the same software. So this software is designed to bring everything that's needed for the specific area in the business together so decision making will be made easier. The SAP Objects Dashboard design is a personalized dashboard online and offline. It's a flash-based interactive dashboard. It visualizes anywhere, portal, reports, PDFs, MS Office, Microsoft Office, and Flash. Powerful what-if analysis with input controls. You can drill down on many different reports. You can export into Excel. There are so many different capabilities of this software. SA Objectives Crystal Reports. These are standard reporting tools. And these are reports that you use to gain information. It's used in a lot of accounting departments, tax departments, supply chain, pretty much any department where you can gain the data and sources that you need. Now we will have Andre Gorner.
So, I'm Andre Garner of Group 2, and today I'm going to discuss the SAP Enterprise Business Intelligence Tool as it relates to the SAP Business Objects. The SAP Business Intelligence Tool has a lot of interesting features that one can use. It has a self-service feature. It includes dashboards and applications, as well as reporting. All of these are included in the SAP Business Intelligence Suite. Some of SAP's strategic focus on business intelligence include their core competencies. Within their core competencies, the core for innovation, the complete business intelligence suite, continued leadership to a company when support or help is needed. It also focuses on the creative by use of IT and its departments, the fast time to value, connection to the enterprise. It also has a mobile feature which provides first experience for business intelligences, content to point of impact, expansion to untapped users, and they focus on the extreme. What is the extreme? The extreme is big data, real time and predictive uh, responses or predictive analytics as it relates to a company's future endeavors. Also, the business intelligence suite helps the social aspect by the ability to capture the decisions, information and context, and the ability to leverage the network. All of these are included in the one standard for business enterprise business intelligence. The business enterprise intelligence tools encompasses a lot of things. But today we're going to discuss the SAP Business Objects, which are the data visualization, analytic applications, and office integration. Some of the data visualizations that SAP offers is it's available on the premise or it's in the cloud. The business intelligence tools can put actionable information at the user's fingertips. The SAP Business Intelligence tool helps eliminate guesswork, monitor key metrics, and gains valuable insight into a customer's behavior. It allows a company to turn their data into a game-changing decision from a CEO to a line manager. And basically, what this encompasses is pooling the data from Excel spreadsheets and making dashboard and real charts. The analytic application allows the information that is collected to make the dashboards in which the information can be dissolved. provides critical insight when needed, and when it's acquired business objects which allow the strengthening of information out strategy. So with the Informalytics application, it allows the end user to make a determination as it relates to what the business uh, model or scale would need to be in the future. It provides analyzation of information across the board, which would include, if you have your data points set up to include costs, time, and it all that's plots the information in a chart-like figure, which can be interpreted. Office integration allows across-the-board information to be collected, analyzed, and put in a dashboard or in a chart. These Office integration tools are utilized from the Excel spreadsheets and is pulled into the SAP project, and then the information is broken up in charts and graphs, as you can see listed on the page here. It allows the data to be streamlined, and from here decisions can be made in a timely fashion. In the Enterprise Suite, it allows working with reports and visual data, as you can see. And this data, once inputted in SAP, is computerized and charts are produced. Just to give an example of the companies that use SAP, you have companies in the financial, telecommunications, retail, public sector, and high-tech, energy, automotive, healthcare, pharmacy, and other companies. All of these companies are mostly included in the Fortune 500 companies, and they use the SAP feature to help streamline their business uh, activities. This concludes my part of the presentation. On to the next. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Stephen Coleman, and I am with Group 2, and we chose to present about the BR tool SAP Business Object. As we all know, the BI tools are used to retrieve, analyze, transform, and report any data. Whereas SAP Business Objects are used to organize data, messages, archives, social databases, and web-based life. So with that being said, I would like to present some of the benefits and pitfalls of the SAP Business Objects software. One of the benefits of this software is that it can be used on a small scale or a large scale. So, say a business with clients of 10,000 and one that has clients of 100,000. This software can still maintain the smallest amount of information and, of course, an extensive number or a larger number amount of information. One of the most sought after systems used by many companies is the SAP software. It's used by many companies because of its uniqueness and its ability to be used with many other softwares. It has an assortment of softwares that it can be shared or paired or transfer data to and from and software like Java or SharePoint are just, two out of the many in my finds that I'm mentioning here. This system, of course, like any other system or any other thing that works in the world, does have its pitfalls, or let's say cons, if you will. And in my research and finds, the biggest pitfall of having or using this system is I would like to present some of the benefits and pitfalls of the SAP Business Object software. One of the benefits of this software is that it can be used on a small scale or a large scale. So, say a business with clients of 10,000 and one that has clients of 100,000. This software can still maintain the smallest amount of information and, of course, an extensive number or a larger number amount of information. One of the most sought after systems used by many companies is the SAP software. It's used by many companies because of its uniqueness and its ability to be used with many other softwares. It has an assortment of softwares that they can be shared or paired or transfer data to and from, and software like Java or SharePoint are just, two out of the many in my finds that I'm mentioning here. This system, of course, like any other system or any other thing that works in the world, does have its pitfalls, or let's say cons, if you will. And in my research and finds, the biggest pitfall of having or using this system is the cost. So the financing of it and the money that goes into the system. This system can start at a rate of about 50,000, and of course that goes with of how detailed, how intricate, how many other softwares would you like linked with it, or just how customized it is to the client or business. Also in my finds, I found another pitfall that states that the SAP Business software is very difficult to redesign or update once it has been customized to that company. And in that sense, redesigning means, if something needs to be added, taken away, refreshed, or just modified, it's been very difficult. So then we come into another cost of having the right personnel trained to know this system inside and out. It won't be, or it's not beneficial to businesses and clients if the system is not known well to where it can get its maximum use. So, my finds that I'm mentioning here, this system, of course, like any other system or any other thing that works in the world, does have its pitfalls, or let's say cons, if you will. And in my research and finds, the biggest pitfall of having or using this system is the cost. So the financing of it and the money that goes into the system. This system can start at a rate of about 50,000. And of course, that goes with of how detailed, how intricate, how many other softwares would you like linked with it, or just how customized it is to the client or business. So those were just a few finds that I would like to mention about the benefits and the pitfalls of the SAP Business software. Thank you.